Hello everybody and welcome to the BlueStar studio. We'll be here today to talk about the brand new mPop CBI from Star Micronics.
Yeah, so we're going to be unboxing this, talking about some of the features of the products. So yeah, without any further ado, shall we?
Yeah.
Let's dive into it. So we've got everything out of the box, or should I say the sustainable packaging, which the mPop comes in. First of all, we've got the easy setup guide.
Yep, we also have a USB cable.
And also two power cables, European and UK.
Mm-hmm.
Then you need power included in the box.
Yep, and then last but not least, we have obviously a mounting bracket, as well as the tablet stand that matches with the mPop. And obviously, most importantly, the mPop itself.
Oh yeah. This is the mPop CBI. It's an integrated cash drawer and receipt printer. The receipt printer here slides out. It is a 2-inch receipt printer. That's a 58mm receipt printer if you're young. And easy to open. Replace the receipt roll, clip shut, slides back in again.
Perfect. And we also have the configurable cash drawer. As you can see, it's currently set up like this, but you can change this depending on what currency you are using. So now we've seen all of the top of the cash drawer, the nice aesthetically pleasing bit. We're now also going to show you all of the connectivity options that you have as well. So we have 3 USB-A ports. We also have a USB printer port, and we also have a USB-C port for tablet interfaces.
Okay, so in terms of tablets, you can use either Android or iOS tablets. And obviously you can connect via the USB-C port that Amy mentioned, but you can also have tablet connectivity via Bluetooth as well.
Yeah, and even better than that, actually, you can use a combination of both. So you can have it wired up if you're keeping it as a static point of sale, or if you need to then move it around the store, you can take it off, it'll connect to the Bluetooth, do whatever you need to do around the store, bring it back, plug it back in, and then go straight back to it being a static point of sale again.
So here we have the mPop CBI in a fairly typical point of sale setup, tablet stand on top. We've also got the Pop 1D barcode scanner attached. In this case, we've got it connected via USB, very neat cable management underneath the mPop, but you could equally have a Bluetooth scanner connected to the mPop instead.
And obviously the most important thing to finish off the solution is the tablet. So as you can see, this tablet stand is universal, so you can put any tablet on top of there. And it's very easy just to pop the tablet on or off, depending on if it's connected via Bluetooth or if it's connected via a cable. And once it's on, it's a very easy solution to put together, and I think it's quite a sleek solution as well, actually. Yeah.
Absolutely, yeah, looks good. And if you've got any questions about this or any of the other BlueStar product range, you can contact obviously your BlueStar account manager or your local business development manager.